This is a 2021 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. This bike is in like new condition. It has only 1,411 original miles on the odometer. The color of it is midnight crimson red. It looks like kind of a dark maroon. Bike is in like new condition. Being the limited model, it has the security system, heated grips, painted inner fairing. Comes with the GTS Boom stereo system, which is a color touch screen. AM, FM weather band. You can Bluetooth your music into it or plug it in and charge your device and integrate it into the system. Has GPS. Big 6-gallon tank. Get a lot of range with this bike. It has the 114 Milwaukee 8. So you have plenty of horsepower and torque to get you and your passenger and all your gear down the road. 6-speed transmission. A lot of storage on this bike. Nice big saddlebags. Big TourPak with a chrome luggage rack. Now this bike is in stock configuration. The only thing that's been added to it is the Harley Davidson backrest for the rider, which comes in real handy. Makes that long ride very comfortable. Big comfortable seat for you and your passenger. Just a beautiful color. Out here in the sun, it's one of those colors you really have to see in person. I'm not sure the video is really going to do it much justice, but it is a very light metallic. Nice contrast cut wheels from Harley Davidson. With only 1,411 original miles on the odometer, you can't hardly go wrong with this 21 Ultra Limited. It's not even remotely broke in. And like all the bikes that leave Dream Cycles USA to their new home, it comes with a fresh service. So the fluids will all be changed in it. It'll be ready for another 5,000 miles of fun on the highway. If you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a good look at this 21 Ultra Limited. It's got all the right stuff. Super low miles. 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. A great color. Nice rider's backrest. All the right stuff. It's ready for you to customize to make it your own, or just leave it the way it is and hit the highway. Now don't get stuck paying MSRP and the touring bike surcharge and the dock fees and the freight fees and the setup fees and all that other hooey. Give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. We can be reached at 417-343-3696. Our prices are out the door. Absolutely no mystery fees, no dealer fees. Save yourself a ton of money. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you for watching our video.